Now let's start to build the Arduino Project 6. First, we need the mini breadboard. And second, the buzzer. We need to put the buzzer on the mini breadboards. Third, the jumper cable. This cable serves as the connection of the mini breadboard to the Arduino board. Lastly, we need to connect the Arduino board on the laptop using this cable.
Good day everyone, this is John Jersonal Baclao and I'm gonna explain to you our code from Activity 6 in Arduino, which is the alarm. So first we declare some variable which is the float. Symbol stands for scene value. Next, the int tone val stands for tone value. Then next is the void setup, which is in this function it sets the pin 8, which is the buzzer, as an output using pin mode 8 then output, and this explains that this pin will be used to output the alarm sound. Then in the void loop function, it contains a for loop that iterates from 0 less than 180 degrees. Then it calculates the scene value for each degree converted to radians, then obtain the value. Then next is the generate a frequency from the scene value. It means that it generates the frequency on tone value which based on the scene value, and this is achieved by scaling the scene value and adding an option to generate a frequency within the audible range. Then it produces the tone on pin 8 using the tone, then the tone value function with the calculated frequency, and we also added the delay time of 2 milliseconds, which is the after each iteration to control the duration of each time. That's all. Thank you.